Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream and onion dip. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have a large sweet onion and quality sour cream. Next, finely dice your onion, as this is key to the dip's texture and flavor. Then, combine everything in a bowl, mixing until well incorporated. Finally, chill the dip for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to fully develop. Let's get started by preparing our core ingredients. You'll need 1 large sweet onion, finely diced for that perfect texture. Also, chop some fresh chives to use as a vibrant garnish later. Measure out 16 ounces of your favorite sour cream and have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise ready to add a touch of richness to our dip. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold your finely diced onions into the sour cream and mayonnaise mixture. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder to enhance the savory notes. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your desired flavor. The most crucial step for a truly delicious dip is chilling. Refrigerate your cream and onion dip for at least 2 hours or even overnight to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld completely. Before serving, give it a good stir and garnish with your fresh chopped chives. It's perfect with crispy potato chips or a colorful assortment of fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.